Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a little chit chat, and I just want to give you guys 5 tips into starting your fitness journey, things that have helped me throughout this whole process. I started my fitness journey about 3 years ago, and all I can say is they're just 5 quick tips that could help you and go a huge long way to your fitness goals. So number 1 is always start small. I mean, it's a huge journey. You don't just pick up and decide that you're gonna cut off every sugar, every sweet tooth that you have enjoyed for the past years. It's just not gonna work. So what you do, if it's Coke or I'm just using that for example, if it's pop that you love drinking, or it's chocolate, or it's cake, try to pick one and ditch it and say, you know what, I'm not gonna take this anymore, it's not good for me, and try it for a month and see how good you are with it. If you succeed in kicking that to the curb, you give yourself a pat on the back and say, job well done. You pick the next thing and go from there. Over time, you realize that, you know what, these things are not worth it, it's not good for me, so therefore you're probably not gonna have them anymore. For me, I don't remember the last time I had pop. It's probably 3 years ago since I had pop. It doesn't faze me anymore. Before, I never have a meal without a pop, but right now I can completely do away with it. So number 2 is try to be consistent. Pick a time that works for you. Try to pick, if you're going to work out in the morning, try to pick out the mornings, so that way you know you're going to be consistent with it to align with your schedule. So number 3 thing is try to make a plan. Always have a workout plan. Pick out a plan. On Mondays, this is what I'm going to train. Tuesdays, this is what I'm going to train. Wednesdays, I'm going to train this. That's the only way you will likely be consistent with your workout. Also, number 4 tip is try to meal prep. So if you meal prep your meals, then there's every likelihood that you're probably not going to binge. So if you have already made food, if making food on the spot, especially if you're busy, like myself, I have 3 kids, so it's kind of hard because my kids are probably not going to eat what I'll eat, because they're not going to eat vegetables as much as I'll eat. So I like to meal prep, so that way when I'm hungry, after attending to everything I have to do in the day and in the house, at work and everything, then I know I have something already made to eat. So that way it avoids me binging on something on the cabinet. If it's something in the cabinet, just know it's not good for you. If you're hungry or you need snack, always try to reach out for the fridge. You have an apple or something. So that's the only way you're sure that you're not going to be binging on the wrong thing. So number 5 tip is sleep. Try and get enough sleep. I know sometimes it feels like 24 hours is not enough in the day, just like myself. I have a lot going on to do with the kids and all of that. So sometimes we try to walk ourselves into the night, especially when the kids are down and asleep. But trust me, try to get at the most 6 hours of sleep. I know asking for 8 hours may be too much. Even myself, I don't get up to 8 hours of sleep every night, no matter how much I try. But try to get enough sleep, because if you don't get enough sleep, your body is not going to regularize properly and you're not going to let off that body fat. So I hope these 5 tips will help you to kickstart your fitness journey and you'll be good to go. So if you apply these 5 tips, little steps, baby steps, keep us moving and pushing. For me, it's progress over perfection. So long as you're seeing progress, so just know that you're doing something right. Just keep pushing and we're gonna get through this together. So I hope you did enjoy this short talk. If you did enjoy this video, if you tried any of my tips and it worked for you, I would like to hear about it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you when I see you. Take care. Bye. Hold up, I forgot to say, don't forget to hit the like and also subscribe. Click the notification bell so that way you don't miss a workout whenever I post one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.